Namaskar. Hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one item from my collection. So let's start. This is a 19th century silver coin belonging to the East India Company's era. This coin was struck in the year 1840, the year in which East India Company started tea trading in Chittagong, and also the year in which Maqpon dynasty fell to Dogra dynasty. Now coming to the coin, as you can see, the denomination of this coin is 1 rupee. It has two languages embossed on it, English and Urdu. The material composition of this coin is silver. It is a silver coin. The year is 1840. The denomination of this coin is mentioned within a wreath, and outside the wreath there is a lettering of East India Company. The back of this coin, there is a bust of Queen Victoria facing left. She was one of the rulers of the British India Empire. Along with the bust, you can see the lettering Victoria Queen. The engraver of this coin is Mr. William Vion. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it.